Today we're going to be spraying this hood with Urethane Matte Black from Autobody Master. So let me get the paint mixed up and we'll get started. I found that most of the dust that you get in a paint job is from dust that's already on the panel. So before I paint, I always make sure that it's dust free by wiping my hand across it like that, and you can literally feel the dust particles. So I just make sure that it's all dusty. And last, we're just going to use a tack cloth and lightly go over the top of it and pick up any last remnants of dust particles. And a lot of folks might say, well, you're going to get fish eyes from rubbing your hand over the top of it before painting, but I've never had a problem with fish eyes. And I promise you, if you rub your hand over the top, you will feel the dust particles. I mixed the paint according to the instructions on the can, but I did find that the paint was a bit too thick for my liking. So I reduced it with some urethane reducer at about 2 parts paint and hardener to 1 part reducer. So here we go. The first coat is just going to be a light to medium coat. After allowing the first coat to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes, we're ready for the second coat. And in case you're wondering, I'm using a Matco RL80 gravity-fed spray gun with a 1.4 millimeter fluid tip. And this will be coat number 2. And now this is going to be the third and last coat. After allowing the final coat to completely dry, this is the finished panel. If you're looking for a black auto paint with a similar sheen, I'll list the products I used and the exact mix ratio in the video description. I hope you enjoyed this short video on spraying matte black paint, and if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.